Hi everyone, welcome to my vintage channel. It's Julie with new video. Today I was using the new pattern for foam rollers and the result a little bit different from my basic hairbrush. This is my everyday hairbrush, most easiest thing to do. So keep watching to see how to do so. And amazing waves very fast and easy. So I was trying a new setting pattern. As you see, it's a little bit different from my basic one, and I was waiting the new results. So firstly, I'm brushing my hair as always. Actually, the brush out is the same as my basic one. It's just when you're using different setting patterns, you can receive different waves in different directions, and it can be interesting experiments if you are really wearing retro style and doing retro hairstyles so long that you are boring with them. You can use the different setting patterns. So I'm using a big brush firstly, then the teasing brush to make them waves smooth, to see what I have, what I'm working with, because I was using this setting pattern first time in my life. So after I'm using a comb to make them smooth, and duckbill clips, of course, like always. I'm watching how the waves lay and just going with them. Doing the same operation at the back. If you want, you can spend more time here and try to make the lace, the wave lane at the back ideal too, but I'm not really strict on that, and I like soft waves, so I'm doing actually their focus on the wave on the front. Then with the spray I'm making smooth and no volume at the right part of my hair, and use a bobby pin to hold it behind my ear. After that, I'm covering everything with the hairspray, like always, a lot, and waiting when it will become dry. that's all. I very hope that you will try it, and with every time you will receive the more better results. So don't stop. Bye bye. Don't forget to follow me and like this video.